and Connor Harrison, they have set up this amazing puppet show with jokes to go along with it. And it's called the Puppets Only Annual Joke Competition. Let's give a warm welcome to Tim Wildman and Connor Harrison.
Are they ready?
Brett, no Jim. We're Team Waffle in the first annual Puppets Only Joke Competition. Look out, Jim. Here comes our rivals.
I'm not. Now she can again. We're Team Waffle in the first annual joke competition. Looks like it's time to start.
Who goes first?
Well, somebody needs to go first. Okay, let me ask the question. What do I take in my coffee?
Sugar.
Bingo! Bingo. It's team. Tell me your team name.
Whatever.
What a Groner. It's team What a Groner who goes first. Take it away, guys.
One thing across the road.
What?
Elmo also knew those answers.
Daddy, can I have a glass of water? Okay, but that's the 12th one tonight. Yeah, I know, but my bedroom's still on fire.
That was good.
Did you hear about the princess monster who wasn't pretty but wasn't ugly?
What was
She was pretty ugly.
What do you call a detective skeleton? What? Sherlock Bones.
How can you make a happy dance?
How?
The poor little boogie.
Oh my God.
What is a mummy's favorite type of music? What? Rap.
What do you think when you see a monster?
What?
I hope it hasn't seen me.
What do you call a dumb skeleton? What? A numbskull.
I like that one.
What do you call a monster airline steward?
What?
A flight attendant.
Why are ghosts such bad liars? Why? Because you can see right through them.